Hi guys, so today I'm here at the Krushuna waterfalls, an amazing place in Bulgaria. Water here is very clean and blue. And here people throw their coins in order to make wishes come true. Okay, and right now I'm here in Devetaki cave, one of the most biggest caves in all Europe. Inside you got waterfalls, lakes, and many other things. A cool thing is that during the 70s and 90s, this place was a storage for petrol. And now it's just home for bats. Actually, there are more than 15 species of bats here. And this cave gave home for 35,000 bats that every year come here to hibernate. Looks like Middle Earth, doesn't it? And my trip to North Bulgaria ends up here with some handmade crafts. And of course, honey. Это 100% натуральный? Натуральный мед. Добре.